Ever wondered how our universe keeps expanding at an accelerating pace? It's a question that has intrigued scientists and stargazers alike for centuries. A question that has led to the formulation of theories and hypotheses, all in an attempt to explain the seemingly unexplainable. The universe as we know it is vast and always in motion, constantly expanding and growing. But what set it all in motion? What was the spark that ignited the creation of galaxies, stars, and planets? The answer, according to the most widely accepted theory among scientists, lies in the concept known as the Big Bang. The Big Bang theory, named not for an explosion but for a rapid expansion, is often considered the cornerstone of cosmology. It postulates that around 14 billion years ago, the universe began as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature. Then, in an instant, it started to expand rapidly, a process that continues even today. In this vast cosmic arena, the Big Bang theory serves as a roadmap, guiding us back to the very first moments of the universe. It offers us a glimpse of the initial conditions that led to the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets, and even life as we know it. The Big Bang theory is not just about the birth of the universe, it's also about its evolution. It explains how the universe has been growing and changing over billions of years, and how it will continue to do so. It's about understanding the nature of space and time, about exploring the fundamental laws that govern our existence. So why is the Big Bang theory so crucial to our understanding of the universe's growth? It's because it provides the framework to comprehend the mechanics of the universe from its earliest beginnings to its current state, and possibly even its future. It's our guide to the cosmos, a compass pointing us towards the answers to some of our most profound questions. The Big Bang theory is the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe's unfathomable expansion. It's a cosmic detective story, one that we're all a part of. And as we continue to probe the cosmos, who knows what other secrets we might uncover. So, what exactly is the Big Bang theory? Well, in the simplest of terms, think of the Big Bang theory as the greatest fireworks display of all time. Only it wasn't just for a single night, but has been going on for billions of years. This grand spectacle wasn't just any explosion, it was an event that marked the start of everything we know, everything we see, and everything we can't even perceive yet. It was an event of such colossal scale and energy that it gave birth to the entire universe. The Big Bang theory is our best explanation of how the universe started and evolved into the vast, complex system of galaxies, stars, and planets we see today. It's based on a collection of observations and measurements, the most notable of which is the fact that distant galaxies are moving away from us in every direction. Now, this isn't because the galaxies themselves are moving through space, but rather because the very fabric of space itself is expanding. Imagine baking a loaf of raisin bread. As the dough rises, the raisins move further apart from each other, not because they're moving on their own, but because the dough between them is expanding. That's what's happening with space and the galaxies within it. But let's rewind the cosmic clock to about 14 billion years ago. According to the Big Bang theory, the universe was in an extremely hot and dense state, almost like a single point. Then, in a fraction of a second, it expanded rapidly. This rapid expansion, or inflation, produced a universe filled with energy which then cooled and condensed into matter, giving birth to the first atoms, stars, and galaxies. In essence, the Big Bang is the birth of the universe as we know it. But how does the Big Bang relate to the universe's growth? Let's dive into it. You see, the universe's growth is a direct outcome of the Big Bang. This event, which took place around 14 billion years ago, was not merely an explosion in space. Instead, it was an explosion of space itself. The Big Bang was the birth of the universe, the moment when space and time as we know them came into existence. But here's where things get fascinating. The universe didn't just spring into being and then sit still. No, it's been growing ever since that initial spark. Space itself is expanding. It's a bit like a loaf of raisin bread in the oven. As the dough rises, the raisins, or in our case galaxies, move further apart. Now you might think that gravity, that irresistible force that keeps your feet on the ground and the Earth in its orbit around the sun, would gradually slow this expansion. But here's the kicker. The universe's growth is not slowing down. It's accelerating. This acceleration is thanks to something called dark energy. Despite its ominous name, dark energy is not some malevolent force. It's simply a term scientists use to describe a mysterious phenomenon they don't fully understand yet. Whatever it is, it's causing the universe to expand at an ever-increasing rate. And so, the galaxies continue to drift apart, carried along by the expansion of space itself. Each day, the universe is a little bit bigger than it was the day before. Each moment, new space is coming into existence. This growth is a direct result of the Big Bang, the initial event that set space and time into motion. In a sense, we can think of the universe's growth as a cosmic dance, with each galaxy a dancer moving in step to the rhythm of the Big Bang. So the universe's growth is a cosmic dance choreographed by the Big Bang. The universe is constantly changing, evolving, and growing, all thanks to that initial spark of creation, the Big Bang. Let's recap what we've learned about the Big Bang theory and the universe's growth. We started our cosmic journey by probing the cosmos, exploring the infinite vastness of space and our place within it. It's a humbling experience, isn't it? To realize we're just a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things. Next, we delved into the Big Bang theory in simple terms. We learned that this theory is our best scientific explanation for the birth of the universe around 13.8 billion years ago. It all started with a singularity, an incredibly dense and hot point from which everything expanded, leading to the creation of galaxies, stars, planets, and even life as we know it. Then we connected these dots to understand the universe's growth. It's not just expanding, it's doing so at an accelerating rate. This is one of the most fascinating discoveries of our time, and it's still a topic of ongoing research. The Big Bang theory helps us understand this, as it predicts that the universe should be expanding due to the initial push it received. Remember, we're not just talking about galaxies moving away from each other, we're talking about the very fabric of space itself stretching. This is a key point to grasp when we're talking about the universe's growth. Let's not forget that all of this is based on current knowledge and observations. Science is always evolving, and our understanding of the universe and its origins might change as we gather more data and develop new theories. But as of now, the Big Bang theory stands as our best explanation for the universe's growth. The Big Bang theory and the universe's growth are two sides of the same cosmic coin. They're intrinsically linked, each one shedding light on the other. They help us understand where we've come from and where we're heading. And isn't that one of the most profound quests of humanity, to understand our origins and our future? It's time to hear from you. This journey through the cosmos, from the Big Bang to the ever-expanding universe, is a fascinating one, isn't it? And it's a journey that prompts so many questions. Do you have any thoughts about the Big Bang theory and how it explains the universe's growth? Or maybe you're curious about something we didn't cover in this video? Well, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your opinions, questions, or any other thoughts on the topic. We're always excited to see what our community is pondering. And who knows, your comment might even inspire our next video. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging discussions about the universe. Until next